Meghalaya Legislative Assembly's Environment Committee is set to engage with Assam to tackle air pollution in Bernihat. Nongpo MLA Meral Bonsi stresses the need for policy reforms to build a stronger healthcare system in the state. Meghalaya shines in Skill India's 10-year journey through IIE LED initiatives. And Clutch Tura 2025 wraps up the esports celebration with resounding success. The news in detail. The Meghalaya Legislative Assembly's Environment Committee is set to engage with its Assam counterpart to tackle rising air pollution in Bernihat and nearby areas. Nongpo MLA and committee member Meral Bonsi emphasized the urgency of identifying the pollution source, whether it be from factories in Meghalaya, Assam or elsewhere. He stated that the issue is a serious public health concern requiring thorough investigation and interstate cooperation.
This is a matter of concern which need proper study and survey. As far as the government of Meghalaya is concerned, the government is very firm. Even the Honorable Chief Minister has given a statement in the floor of the House, stated that the government wouldn't left any stone unturned to ensure about the pollution which is happening in the border area. So this is a matter of concern, contagious issue that need to be rectified.
Meanwhile, Nongpo MLA Meral Bonsi has also acknowledged the importance of the mega health insurance scheme, but pointed out ongoing challenges, particularly the exorbitant fees charged by private hospitals. He likened the healthcare cost disparity to price variations in open markets and stressed that the government cannot fully regulate private hospital rates. He emphasized that policy reforms and collective efforts are needed to build a stronger healthcare system in Meghalaya.
See, it is not 100% under the purview of the government to control about the price or the rate charged in the private hospital. We have seen many entrepreneurs that have come up, private hospital and overcharged, which is a huge concern. But empanel hospital, which the government has done, is that to empanel those hospitals and to be included under the coverage of the mega health insurance.
The Catholic Youth Block C of Umsning Parish officially launched its 25th anniversary celebrations at Madan Umsning Patarem, with State Minister A.L. Heck attending as the chief guest. Established in 2001, the organization will mark its silver jubilee in 2026. The event witnessed participation from notable figures including Johannes Siemle, the founding president, Rocky Kala, chairman of the Umsning Town Darbar, and current president Geraldo Siemle. Festivities began with the ceremonial hoisting of the organization's flag.
Every individual, we have our own responsibility. The Kamram Najongi, but Magirung Idegi Pilgrims of Hope, Ide ban Tito Shwa Yalade, Kumno Bantai Yalaga Jonga Jingim, Kumno ban Longi Kon, give a tip your brew, give a tip your blade, but don't get Jinkit, the responsibility of the Jim Jungi. Kata Galong, but don't come Hadu Kata, but Magi, he calls some like the Jungi, Ide ban Zoho.
As Skill India mission reaches its 10-year milestone in 2025, the Indian Institute of Entrepreneurship, or also known as IIE, under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, spotlighted impactful initiatives in Meghalaya to mark the occasion. Through flagship programs such as PMVDY, SFURTI, PMKVY, SVEP and EDC, IIE has empowered budding entrepreneurs via training and mentorship, collaborating with institutions like NEHU, Reboy College and others. These success stories reflect the growing entrepreneurial spirit in Meghalaya, nurtured through Skill India's decade-long mission. The 18 West Shillong constituency held an Academic Excellence Award program to honour students who excelled in board and university exams, as well as PhD scholars. Paul Lingdaw, MLA of West Shillong, lauded the achievers and emphasised that excellence should become a lifelong habit. The ceremony also celebrated contributions in literature and music, with distinguished personalities and young talents receiving recognition. A COVID warrior was felicitated for their dedicated service, adding a heartfelt note to the event's celebration of community achievement.
My heartiest congratulations to all the awardees who are the reason for our getting together this evening. I congratulate each one of you and also extend my best wishes to your institutions and to your parents, your mentors, and people responsible for your growth till you reach this point in your career. Excellence should be a habit. Excellence should be a way of life.
The Hanyu Trep National Youth Front Ribhoi unit conducted a checking drive on vehicles transporting live fish into Meghalaya from Assam. During the inspection, HNYF revealed that several vehicles lacked the mandatory trading license. The organisation also raised concerns about non-tribal traders allegedly using Khasi names to gain entry into the state, urging the KHADC to enforce stricter regulations. HNYF emphasised that all traders must comply with legal requirements.
one supply ni kasi para kasi ngila menteri kini beli iu kini khar yo bendrung lai yo kat baman ni kentu ya ka discourse bahkan kat bala bahkan check ya kata ding lesen.
MLE Meral Bonsi Aim held an interactive session with students enrolled in the Chief Minister's Career Guidance Scheme aimed at enhancing exam preparedness among youth in Ribhoi. During the session, students shared feedback and suggestions, which CAM welcomed with assurance of continued support. He expressed satisfaction over the positive impact and reaffirmed his commitment to improving the program to better serve the district's youth.
Wan kenang ni banyak kendu ya kini student ban interact ban suhu lane ka jing mentoi ka bagiyo anak ni coaching class adu kan no kalaya rap ki bakin konkret yang layo ai gini feedback bila sau tenan ki dong kemen bagane ka coaching kalaya kala dan baru ki don suggestion ki juki ki bagi la pensngo ki jing duna ang yang tai kumno bangenang kampan ba susu ya gani ka coaching di gila ngala tekno di kini ki betah ka bangin ang ile ka pala ban ya keren ban penbit penbiang na kamenta kumno yang jindon kam.
The state BJP has voiced concern over the repeated use of religious narratives by opposition parties during elections in Meghalaya, which it says has contributed to its lack of success in the region. Despite multiple efforts, the party has yet to secure a win in the state. Party President M. Kharkrang remarked that BJP-led states have seen significant development, which Meghalaya could also benefit from. He emphasized that voting driven by emotion, influenced by religious appeals, makes electoral progress challenging.
They are certain and they are very sure that if BJP rules the state, we will see the kind of development that other BJP-ruled states are seeing. But like I've been saying every time in the past, come election, that religious card gets into play again. Looking at it, they try to work on emotions of the people. So if people are voting by virtue of the emotions, then it becomes difficult. So, but if they really want to see development for the state, then I don't think so any other party except the BJP.
The Garo Hills region witnessed its first ever large-scale esports event as Clutch Tura 2025 concluded with resounding success. Held over 2 days at Carri's Banquet Hall in Bonepa, the festival drew 272 participants and marked a significant moment in the region's youth and digital culture. Organized by student-led group Event Horizon, the festival focused on the theme Play Clean, Win Clean, promoting anti-drug and anti-human trafficking awareness in collaboration with local advocacy group Japang. Sponsored by Prime, CMYDS and others, the event featured competitive tournaments in BGMI and FC25. Chengreng T Sangma won top honours in FC25, while Team Sovereign triumphed in BGMI.
There are a lot of bad influences nowadays our day-to-day environment, and our purpose is to give them a different approach, give them options. So what we came up with is an esports event mixed with a collaboration with some music artists to form sort of like a festival for all the youth to participate. Also, we have collabed with Prime Meghalaya, who are known for their entrepreneur journey that they provide to all the youth.
The West Jaintia District Table Tennis Association successfully concluded the 3rd District and Under-17 Table Tennis Championships at Khimus Nyang Indoor Stadium. The event featured 26 talented players competing across singles, doubles and mixed doubles categories. Key victories included Samehi Dakhar in the Under-17 singles, Arafael Dakhar in men's singles and Sakani Taryang in women's singles. The mixed doubles title went to the duo of Lamida U Pasa and Sakani Taryang after a tight 3-2 finish. And now for the weather. First, let's look at the report in Tura, where the minimum temperature was recorded at 24 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature at 28 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity was 86%, while rainfall was 36 millimeters. Moving on to Shillong, the minimum temperature was 19 degrees Celsius with the maximum at 24 degrees Celsius with relative humidity of 82%. Rainfall was measured at 21 millimeters. Meanwhile, in Jawai, the minimum temperature was 19 degrees Celsius with the maximum at 24 degrees Celsius and relative humidity of 81%. Rainfall was measured at 16 millimeters. The forecast in Tura, Shillong and Jawai say moderate rain and thunder showers are likely to occur at most places. And for our viewers who may have missed out, here's a quick recap of today's headlines. Meghalaya Legislative Assembly's Environment Committee is set to engage with Assam to tackle air pollution in Bernihat. Nongpo MLA Meral Bonsi Aim stresses the need for policy reforms to build a stronger healthcare system in the state. Meghalaya shines in Skill India's 10-year journey through IIE-led initiatives. And Clutch Tura 2025 wraps up esports celebration with resounding success. That brings us to the end of today's news edition. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening.